Welcome to Emerald Park Open House.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Dietrich, and I've been a certified teacher since 2006 and a preschool teacher prior to that. This will be my 4th year here teaching kindergarten at Emerald Park. I graduated from Central Washington University in 2006, and here's a few of my favorite things.
Hi, my name is Ms. Verhalski, and I am in my 2nd year at Emerald Park. I graduated from the University of Wisconsin-Green Bay, and I am originally from Florence, Wisconsin, which is a super small town, as you can see on the map. I moved to Washington last year, and a fun fact about me is my mom is also a kindergarten teacher. You can see a few pictures of the things I enjoy, and I am so excited to keep teaching and learning this year.
Hi, I'm Miss Sokup, and this is my 2nd year as a kindergarten teacher, but my 1st year here at Emerald Park. I graduated from Gonzaga University with my degree in psychology and my teaching certification, and then I taught preschool for 3 years before teaching kindergarten. I live in Seattle with my fiance and my 2 kitty cats, and here are some pictures of things that are important to me.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Johnson. This is my 31st year of teaching. I've taught preschool through 4th grade, and I've also done intervention and work in reading and math. I've opened in Emerald Park in 1999. I have a BA from SU and an MA from SPU. I'm also a mentor teacher and K-Math rep and art rep at Emerald Park.
This is our Emerald Park School Pledge. All students at Emerald Park follow these rules. They're being responsible, acting safely, showing respect, and exhibiting grit. And all 4 of us spend a lot of time in the classroom talking with the kids about how we can follow these rules as a navigator.
This is our literacy program that we do for kindergarten. We work on shared reading. We do a reader's workshop, which is guided reading groups, level books, and reading choices. We do phonics daily, letter names and sounds, blending sounds to make words, CVC, rhyming, syllables, and so much more into our program. We focus a lot on comprehension. We ask lots of questions: who, what, where, when, why, and how. And handwriting, we want every student to be able to know how to write their first and last name with correct letter formation. We focus on writing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and we do writer's workshop where we focus on narrative writing, informative writing, and opinion writing.
We do math daily in kindergarten, just like literacy, and our math block consists of counting, number recognition, writing numbers, sorting, teen numbers, addition and subtraction, story problems, and so much more.
Here are 20 of the goals that we want all of the kindergarten students to master by the end of the year. This is something that we'll go over more in depth at conferences with you guys.
In addition to our math, writing, and reading, we have our integrated curriculum, which is our health. We talk about nutrition, safety, our 5 senses, things like brushing our teeth, eating food, getting exercise. We also do social skills all year long. We talk about our rules, our expectations, and Mrs. Hurt, our school counselor, comes in and tells those choices. We also have science, where we learn about trees and leaves, construction, plants and seeds, STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and math. We learn about animals, ramps, and motion.
Another big piece of the kindergarten curriculum is purposeful play. This is a time for children to socialize and grow and become better and more successful. You might hear your child call this choice time or centers, and it's one of their favorite parts of the day.
2 of the programs that we use in kindergarten. One is our reading program, which is the Kids A to Z. It is a website that you'll be getting login information for your child to be reading. Our goal is to read 1 to 3 books daily at home, and then to listen and read the books also daily. We will also do a math program. So there's this little monster on the side of the program, and it's you click on it, and that's how you log in. You'll get more information about that too from your teacher soon, in the next couple weeks. And it's called the iReady Math Program. and we have kids work on it in class on their soon to be coming tablets, and then also at home if possible.
If you have any questions, here are some ways to contact us. You can see our emails and team's phone numbers. As well, we just want to make sure that everyone is checking Class Dojo. This is a great app for us to message daily, quickly. It's an awesome thing that we have, and we would appreciate it if you could check it as often as you could. Also, if you could please check your child's backpack at the end of the day, just take things out that they put in there. That would be really helpful. Thank you.